Hello everyone, welcome back to the Shabby Shack. In this video we're making cheesesteak tortellini. I'm starting out by taking some chunks of beef and I am cutting them into really small pieces. This is like stew beef. And I'm cutting it up really small. Now I'm just going to sear that up in my frying pan. Once I have it seared up, I'm going to add 2 cups of hot water and a packet of the Lipton soup mix. So let's get our water in here. And that's going to bring all that good stuff off the bottom of the pan. And we're going to add this packet of soup mix. Now I'm also going to be adding some chopped up bell peppers in here. There's our bell peppers. And we're just going to let this cook until all the liquid cooks out of it. We want that meat thick and it's going to look like it's covered in a gravy. Now we're going to drop our tortellini into our boiling water. And this is a family size packet of tortellini. While our tortellini is boiling, we're going to make our cheese sauce. We use 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, and we're just going to let that cook up for just about 1 minute. We want to cook the rawness out of the flour. Just keep stirring it and let it come up to a good little bubble. Now we're going to add in our 2 cups of milk. And I'm going to start adding it slowly to begin with because we don't want this to lump up. We're kind of making a roux, but it's going to be a cheese sauce. Okay, now that we have all our milk in there, we want to let this heat up. And when it starts to get some bubbling to it, we're going to start adding in our grated up provolone cheese. And we're going to use probably about a cup, maybe a cup and a quarter of chopped up provolone. We want a good, thick cheese sauce. Now we're going to pour this over that tortellini and add our beef in. And that's some thick cheese sauce. It was so good. There's our cooked beef. And here it is, guys. It was so delicious. You got to give this recipe a try. And remember, come back to the Shabby Shack for more videos and recipes.